Welcome to All in One Idea Exchange. Headphone is not working in Windows 10. For that, you need to click on the speaker icon and right click and select troubleshoot sound problem. This will automatically detect your issue and fix the error. Like this, you can fix your error. So this is fine, this is not a problem for me. Okay, the other step, to update and reinstall the driver, you need to go to computer management. So open your Explorer, my computer, this computer, right click and manage. Click on device manager. Now you can click on here and click on the driver, Realtek high definition audio. Click on that and you can click here to update and search for automatic update, or else you can right click, uninstall the driver, click here to uninstall and restart your PC. Don't select this one, it will delete your driver whatever is installed. So just uninstall it and restart your PC, your problem will resolve. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Thank you. If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.